Follow him alone who does not cause grief to anyone in any way, yet does not indulge evil. You shall achieve your good. Don't conceal anything in your heart from him whom you have chosen as your guide. To conceal is to disbelieve him, and a disbelief brings downfall. The guide is the regulator of hearts. If you believe it rightly, you will be unable to do evil. And if you have already done evil, you will confess it surely. But if you want to conceal, be sure that weakness has come in your heart and you are already attacked by disbelief. Be careful, or it may carry you far, far away. If you conceal, your true guide will also hide himself. If you express the thoughts in your heart, become open, then for sure he also will be open before you. If with the intention of concealing from your guide, you use the trick, you regulate my heart and you know everything, you will fall and be surrendered by miseries. Exchange of hearts is a sign of love. If you conceal your heart, it is sure you possess selfish desires. You love him only in words. There is concealment in lust, but there can be nothing concealed in love. The true guide has a light ego. He will never assert his own strength to you by himself and so will follow you according to your thought. This is the characteristic of a true guide. If you really have a true guide, whatever you do, no fear. You don't be destroyed. Only keep prepared for suffering. To be humble does not mean to be on TD. Display does not imply eagerness, rather, it is a excessive, unrestrained expectation of the heart. Selfishness is not self dependence or independence, rather, its opposite. The more you serve people, the more you become the master of all they have. To be spirited does not mean to be in a fury, rather, it is firmness coupled with modesty. A holy man is no magician, rather, a renunciator, a lover. Does a devotee mean a fool, rather, a wise man with a humble pride? To forbear does not mean to retreat, but to embrace with love. Pardon, but with the heart filled with the rage. Don't forgive out of incapacity. Do not judge and punish on your own, but place it wholeheartedly before the Supreme Father. That will be good. If you punish anyone for his misdeed, surely the Supreme Father will mete out the punishment proportionately to you both. Suffer for the Supreme Father, for the truth, you will enjoy eternal peace. To dwell in truth, try to forbear injustice and resist not what you have to forbear, you shall soon achieve good in the highest. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.